Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your very own sticker using sticker.ly. It's very super simple and fun, so let's get started. First of all, simply open the sticker.ly app. After you have downloaded it from Play Store App Store, simply open the sticker.ly app. Then simply log into your account using your Google or Facebook. Then as you'll see thousands of stickers, you can select one, or to create your own sticker simply click or hit the plus icon, and you will see many of the template, and you can create regular or animated stickers. Simply hit the regular, you want to click the or you want to make the regular, and simply select one photo, and you can simply click on next. You can use brush or any other tools. Simply click on next. You can use the template whichever you want. You can create without also a template. Suppose I will use right now I will use this template, as you can see, and you can simply save it and save. After you have saved this, you can add this to your WhatsApp, or you can share to other app also. And that's it, you just made your own custom stickers on sticker.ly. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite sticker ideas, and I'll see you in the next one, and bye.